Okay, good morning. Here we are asked to find the value of the six trigonometric functions for the given value of theta. In this case, we are asked for when theta is equal to 180, what could be the values of like sine? What is sine 180? So we'll have that sine. So the idea is SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. So first we're looking for sine. Sine 180 degrees and then followed by cosine 180 degrees. T stands for tangent, so tangent 180 degrees. Then the reciprocal. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant 180 degrees. Then the cosine is secant 180 degrees. What is secant 180 degrees? And for the tangent we have cotangent 180 degrees. So we're looking for the values of these six trigonometric functions of 180. Okay, so how do we find that? But for me, in my case, if I'm given really, I'm being asked to find the trigonometric function, I always draw the circle, the unit circle. Okay, so let me have the unit circle with me. Okay, for this case, 180, if this is your unit circle, okay, this is the circle, and this is of course the origining nga di ani, 0, 0. This is okay, kaning nga point diri of course ang x-axis nimo diri kay 1, ang y is 0 diri kay well 0 ang x, ang y kay 1. So this is the unit circle really. So negative 1 ang imuhang y kay 0. Okay? And of course here will be 0 ang x, kaning nga point 0 ang x, ang y kay negative 1. Okay? So if we're looking for tangent sine 180. 180 is aha man na ang angle ng 180. Okay, so asa man na ang angle. Okay, so 180 is gikan diri no mo ni ang atong reference mo ni ang 0 nga angle. 180 of course is just kana man imong 180. Right? This is 90. Again, let me draw it. 9 kani siya from here to here, that's 90. Then another 90, so we have 180. So bale diri ka mo end na point. So this is the point na imong ginalantaw 180, okay? Ang imong kuan bali diri is ang imuhang x kay equal to negative 1, ang imong y equal to 0. Okay? Ing ana lang. I'm going to say sine theta opposite over hypotenuse man siya. And in this case, ang imong ginalantaw is opposite is the y, no? Opposite sa angle ang y, ang imong hypotenuse kay 1 lang or kay ang hypotenuse ani kay unit circle man ni siya, ang radius which is 1. So bali ana lang sine 180 is y over x, ang y ani kay 0, ang x kay 1 ay ang sine is 1 over hypotenuse, or in this case ang imo ay no opposite over hypotenuse. So man, so pag unit circle gali mong ginalanta imong hypotenuse always 1. So opposite over hypotenuse 0 over 1. 0 man ang imong y, no? So therefore this must be 0. Cosine, simply adjacent. And we're looking only for the x coordinate, no? Coordinate sa x. In that case, negative 1 over 1. So that's simply what? Negative 1. Tangent is simply, this is what? Opposite over adjacent. TOA, opposite over adjacent. And ang opposite, that's the y. Adjacent is the x. So simply, imo lang imo lang kwaon. Pila man ang y? 0. Pila man ang x? Negative 1. So, 0 divided by negative 1. That is simply 0. And cosecant. Cosecant is just the reciprocal sa sine. So, ana man na sila partner. Kana partner, ana ang cosine partner niya kay secant. Dili sila dapat pareha og first letter. Kung sine, dapat iyang partner, iyang reciprocal kay cosecant, dili secant. Okay, nga na lang ang idea. So, kani siya, pagbalik taron nimo ning 0 over 1, it will become what? 1 over 0. And that is undefined, no? Undefined. We don't define that. So, that's undefined. That's not part of our real number system. No, it's undefined as of the moment. Second, 180. So, reciprocal lang sa cosine. So, reciprocal sa 1 divided by negative 1. So, that's 1 divided by negative 1. is simply negative 1 gihapon, di ba? Cotangent is simply reciprocal lang sa tangent, negative 1 over 0, that is still undefined. Okay, so we don't define that. So therefore, ang amuhang value sa 6 trigonometric function is simply sine 180 is 0, cosine is negative 1, tangent is 0, cosecant is undefined, secant is negative 1, and cotangent is undefined. Okay, so that's it. We just need to draw this properly, and kung malocate lang nimo asa ang imuhang paano asa siya nga point imong ginalanta, like in this case 180 is here is 0 pa ingon diha 180 dire ka nag-end this at this point. So you will just be easy, you can easily just tell the values of the 6 trigonometric functions. Thank you.